Here you go. Somebody wanted to see me reuse these bolt screws right here. That's got the metal cutting tips on there. We're using them, so we'll take this one out. We're gonna move this clip up a little bit. It's too low, so stay tuned here. You know, it's used in here. We just took them out of this bottom hole. I'll attach another video on the end here of us doing it, but here we go. Let's try to get this cut in. Sorry. Again, that same bolt right there. There you go, reused and not wasting. All right, so until next time, God bless you.